Hey everybody, it's Jeff Kasmer. How are you? It is around noon on Tuesday, and it is a wintry mix outside here in Chicago. It is cold today. It is wintry. I don't even want to do any errands today. It's kind of a mixture of ice and snow, so it's a little bit slippery outside. So I figured I would do a video because I wanted to help as many people as humanly possible when they come across their brain convincing themselves to quit a program, whether it's IMarketsLive or any other program, because they're chasing the membership fee. Okay, that's what we're going to get into today. So let me get through some particulars. If you are interested in subscribing to my channel, please do. Feedback, please give me some thumbs up or thumbs down if you weren't happy with it. If you got some comments, please make some comments. I am an affiliate marketer, network marketer, Forex trader for the past 19 years, and I am dedicated to helping as many people as I can provide income for their home. If you are interested in my #1 program, we have the #1 team in the company for IMarketsLive right there. There is a link to join. If you are not interested yet, but you're thinking about it, you can subscribe to my newsletter. There's also a link below. We have the #1 team in the company, and we do a unique thing. If you are interested in becoming a customer, we actually have a Facebook group that we can bring inside. Come on, take a peek. You can look around, see our leadership, and see why we do so well, because we help as many people learn to trade Forex without any experience necessary. Because the beauty about IMarketsLive is you can start with no experience necessary with the world famous swipetrades 3.0, and people are doing very well. Now, I say this in every video, future results, past results don't indicate future profits. There's always risk in trading. I always have to mention that in the video and in my comment section. Now, if you want to reach me on Facebook and get inside our group because you're interested, then you want to reach me here. Jeff Kasmer. Today's my daughter's 16th birthday here. Reach me here, Jeff Kasmer. Send me a friend request. I will get you inside the group, okay? So, this is not a rant video, but this is a video designed to help as many people as possible, because we all, at one time or another, have fallen into this particular issue. Let me say it right from the beginning. Stop chasing the membership fee, okay? So I had a customer, and I've had a couple customers over the past year and a half who have come to me, have signed up. I give them great advice. We give great training. We tell them to demo trade first. We don't tell them to live trade, okay? That this is not an instant profit in the first week, that you're going to make $1 million and you're going to retire. Nope. Never say it. You'll never say that I said it. You'll never have any proof that I said it. Wrong. Okay? This is a long-term business, but you can gain profits in the first week. No question about it. Okay? So I've had a couple customers, one recently, and I've had a couple over the time that I've been with IMarketsLive, that get too involved in the recruiting of a couple people to have their membership free. Okay? What IMarketsLive does is one of their, and I've also had people say as a criticism, oh, IMarketsLive is 90% network marketing and 10% trading. Wrong. You're 100% wrong. Get out of here. Get out of doubt. Check another video. Okay? That's their business plan. That's their business model. You have to be referred into the company. It's actually a brilliant business model. Okay? 90% of the people who are in IMarketsLive are just traders. The other 10% like to do both, as I do. I'm one of the 10%. Okay? However, some people, when they first get on board, okay, they pay the fee, okay, and they want to learn how to trade Forex, and we have the swipetrades app that you can start out by not having any experience in trading, okay? And their goal in their mind is they're going to make enough profits to cover the first membership fee, okay? Or they're going to refer to, so their membership is free. Okay? And that's our program. Okay? You can be a trader, just a trader. You can be a network marketer, meaning bringing people into the company. There's a decent residual program that IMarkets, in fact, it's a good program that IMarketsLive has to offer. You can do both trader and network marketer like I am, okay? However, when you first get on board, your thought process cannot be on the two people that you want to recruit so that your membership is free, okay? So there's the trader, there's the network marketer, okay? And then the third portion of this is you can just be a trader and not be a network marketer. We call them IBOs. But if you're just a trader and you happen to get two people bringing on board, then your membership is free and you get access to all the products, not just some, all of them free if you have two people, as long as they're a current customer. Okay? Everybody understand that? Any questions? So I've had a couple people, one recently, one couple months back, signed up for the first month, all excited, get going. They follow directions, they demo, and they don't renew because they didn't get the two for free. What are you doing? Right? This is a long-term proposition. Not long-term to make a bunch of money. I mean, it is. But just because you didn't refer two and you have to pay the second month's fee, you're going to quit when you've started trading and making money, but you didn't recruit the two, or maybe you didn't make enough money yet to cover the fee? What? Wrong! Mindset. Mindset. Tons of people get on board the company. They could demo for a week, 2 weeks, a month. I have had a couple customers who demo a month. Now, you can demo for 3 days, 2 days. And if you understand the swipe trade, especially for people who have no knowledge of Forex, we have lots of customers who are Forex traders who come on board. So if you're a Forex trader, you can come on board and you could certainly make a killing, right? But they come on board, okay, and you could demo a day, 2 days, and then start to go live on swipe trades, okay? I get this question all the time. How much money can I make in the first month? Can I make enough to cover my fee? Now, I always answer the question as honestly as possible. Sure. But I also tell them that you might need to demo swipe trades for 2 weeks before you understand it, before you go live. 3, if you start with a small account, right, you're still going to make money compounding because swipe trades makes money every week. Okay? Past profits don't indicate future results. There's always risk in trading. You got to get that out of the way. But you can start your broker account at $20 or even $100, right? They're not guaranteeing you're going to make $1 million in the first month, right? It's a fantastic company, fantastic tools, techniques, and strategies. And swipe trades is just one of them, okay? You're also learning how to swipe trade. You're also learning how to trade with all the other resources that are available to you inside the membership while you earn through swipe trades. But your mentality shouldn't be, I got to recruit 2 people. Now, you know what that tells me? That tells me that they didn't spend enough time educating themselves, learning about swipe trades, starting to put that into execution, starting to make a little bit of money, and then while that's going on, for example, you put a couple swipe trades in, you're letting that run, then you're learning a strategy like the bounce back strategy, which is absolutely killing it for IMarketsLive members, right? Yes, you're going to have to pay the second month fee if you don't get 2 people. It shouldn't even be a thought process, okay? Then you don't have long-term vision. Then you need to stop this video, go to the next opportunity. This isn't the one. We're trying to teach you a skill that, let's say 10 years from now, 20 years from now, IMarketsLive, they're done. They helped a lot of people, they're done. You have a lifetime skill, right? Because people just can make a good living just off of swipe trades, right? And you keep compounding the account. But most people they're inquisitive in nature. They want to learn more. Well, yeah, inside IMarketsLive, we're going to teach you to trade. But your thought process can be, I'm going to quit because I didn't recruit my 2 people and I have to pay the fee. Guess what? There are plenty of people that have to pay that second month fee that didn't have 2 people and might be starting to make some money in Forex, right? But not quite enough to make the fee. Or they don't worry about the fee and they're just killing it with trading. And the fee just comes out. If you're new to IMarketsLive, you need to not necessarily worry about in the first 30 to 60 days about recruiting 2 and yours is free. That should not be your focus. Your focus should be on educating yourself, understanding if you have swipe trades right away, and learning. There are so many resources inside there. And our specific group, we have 2 webinars a week. 2 inside of our group. That's why we're the #1 team in the company. Okay? We call it Forex Fridays. Where the leader of our team is teaching Forex in addition to what you have in your membership. And then the people who are on the business side or want to recruit the 2, we have that on Mondays. 2 webinars a week to help you. That's why we're successful. But change the mindset up here. I got to recruit 2 before next month's payment. That means your focus isn't where it should be. Okay? So if you're that person who did it or who thought that way and is gone, come on back. Okay? If you're members of other team and have done that, it's the wrong mentality. It's the wrong philosophy. It's the wrong thought process. It's the wrong mindset, right? So your next opportunity, quit thinking about that. This could be any other monthly fee for any program you're involved in online. Any of them. Not just IMarketsLive. Okay? It's a great company that's been involved 6 years, and we are helping change lives. That is what my goal is. That's what our team's goal is, and that's what IMarketsLive goal is. Get that out of your head. Recruit 2 and it's free. If I don't get it before 30 days, I can't. You might as well not have started in the first place. And in one case, this person was making money on trading, which of course you will if you do the swipe trades. Okay? Do we understand each other? That's my rant for today. Okay? Don't chase the membership fee. Chase the education and the consistency and the daily actions that will help change your life. Okay? And that will set you free. Okay? I appreciate you coming on board. I appreciate you listening. Sorry I was harsh today, but sometimes you gotta knock on to get that message across. If you're interested in jumping on board our team, links below. If you want to subscribe, face up. Jeff, you're too tough on me. Thumbs down. I understand. Okay? Let me help you. Reach me on Facebook right here, and I will get you inside of our team. Our team is changing lives. And it's not just smoke. We're changing people's lives. We've had tons of people who have quit their full-time jobs trading Forex. We will help you. Till next time, thanks, guys.